Hey you! Welcome back to the Little Brick Toy House. Today, Random the Robot dropped off another surprise gift. This time it's wrapped with all kinds of different hockey jerseys. Can you see them all? Let's open this up. Come on, what's inside? Ooh, cool! It's the Lego City Stunt Truck. Awesome! This episode is dedicated to Kipton. He's someone I know who loves monster trucks. Let's build! Lego City, ages 5 to 12, item 60146. It's a stunt truck with 91 pieces. Here's the stunt truck driver on the side, and on the back it shows us all kinds of cool things the stunt truck can do. Let's open the box up. All right, here we go. Shake a, take a look inside, nothing there. What do we have? Ooh, we have stickers! Yay! I love stickers. And an instruction booklet. So what do we have here? Stickers, a chassis, and a couple bags of bricks. Let's open up the largest bag first. Ooh, I see some tires, some wheels, and in the smaller bag, there's all kinds of wonderful colors like orange and blue, red and gray. There's our 91 pieces. Let's get started. Okay, let's build the stunt truck driver first. He has orange pants and a black jacket with Extreme written on the front. Here's his little face. Oh, he's a very happy camper. And he has a white helmet, and it also comes with a visor. We'll put the visor on to protect his eyes. Ooh, we'll call him Steve. Stunt Truck Steve. How about we put you over here, Steve, while we build your stunt truck? Here is the gray chassis. It's the first piece of the truck. Flip the chassis over and put this small red brick on the end. Here are some 4x2 pieces. One is black and it goes on the end by the red brick. The other one is a light gray color, and we'll put that at the opposite end. Remember, if you're following along at home, you can always pause the video and catch up. Here's another black piece. This looks like it's the skid pan. And put it right beside the light gray brick. Another 2x3 brick. We'll put this black piece right over top of the gray piece and the skid pan. 2 little red pieces. One for either side of the black brick that we just put down. Whoops. And there we go. Right there. Ooh, these are 2 gray axles. They're gonna go at either end of the truck so that we can put our tires and wheels on. One goes there, and the other one at the other end right on top of those red and gray pieces. And flip it back over. Now we have another 2x4 black brick. It's going to go at this end. Ooh, and an orange brick. I like this one. It goes right across the back, right there. A couple gray pieces. They're going to go just beside the orange piece, like so. And the other one on the other side, just like that. How are you making out? You can pause the video anytime. So this orange piece is going to go right here across from the other one. Ooh, we get to use the stickers. We are going to use sticker number 7 and sticker number 5. They both say 46 Extreme. So just line it up on your black piece the best that you can. Make it a little straight, if you can do it, like that. There's one, and then we'll do it again. Again, trying to get it on straight if you can. And there we go. Beauty. We have 2 of these, and they are going to go onto the light gray piece on both sides of the truck. Oop, one goes right here. There. And then we just turn the truck around, and we put the other one on the other light gray brick. Okay, so one on each side. Ooh, of course we need a steering wheel for the monster truck. So on the same end of the skid pan, follow it up all the way to the orange brick and place it right on top of the orange brick. Perfect. Another black 4x2 piece goes right between the steering wheel and the skid pan. Okay, and now we've got a black piece that looks like it goes on the back end of the truck. Just like that. An orange square now goes right beside the black piece we put on the back end of the monster truck. And here are 4 of the shock absorbers. These shock absorbers we'll put on the back end first. So you'll see that there is a black brick with 2 places for the 2 shock absorbers. 1, 2. And again on the other side there are 2 places to put our 2 shock absorbers. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Now this white brick, it goes right here on this black piece. And it hangs over. And there's another one, the same, and it's going to go on the black piece right at the rear. Here are 2 black fenders. What we'll do is cover up half of the orange brick at the back, and we will cover up the 2 shock absorbers. On the other side, the same. Half the orange brick and the other 2 shock absorbers. Another white brick. And this one will go right on top of the other one. You see that? Stacked 2 high. And here are a couple orange pieces that, looks like they need a sticker. Yeah, they do. So we're going to put on 2 of the number 1 stickers. This looks to be a sponsor of the monster truck, Smooth Racing Oil. And we will put a sponsor sticker on the other orange piece as well. Just line it up the best that you can. And there, Smooth Racing Oil. So both of these go onto the side of the monster truck. One there, and the other one on the other side. Right there above the 46. Oh, it's looking good. Super, 4 more shock absorbers. They'll go right onto these light gray pieces at the front. 1, if I can get it down, and 2. And again, we're gonna do it on the other side. 1, and 2. Great, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 of these L-shaped orange pieces are now going to go at the front, right in front of the steering wheel. Do you see it? And the other one, perfect. A little tiny red piece, and it is going to go right in front of those orange bricks we just put down. Oh, here's another one of those crazy black pieces, so this makes up the front of the monster truck. A couple gray pieces, and they go right here on the back, right in the middle. It looks like it has holders for something. Can you take a guess at what those are for? A small red piece goes right in front of those. And some black pieces here go on top of the gray and the red, right in front of those hooks. Now a little orange piece goes right in the middle of the white bricks. And a few more white pieces go on either side of the back. There and there. All right, so here's a small gray piece, and this helps keep the roof on. It's a very important piece. And a white arch goes right over top of that gray piece. You just gotta push it down really well. Push, push, push. There we go. A few more pieces, white and black. These white and black pieces are going to go at the back of the monster truck. The white piece is the license plate, and the black piece goes right underneath it. And of course, we need to have a sticker for the license plate, and we'll put it right on this white brick. Like that. Beauty. Okay, it's time for the tail lights and the exhaust. Let's put a red tail light on beside the license plate and another red tail light beside the license plate, and then our 2 exhausts. 1 and 2. Remember, you can pause the video anytime to catch up if you're building along at home. Oh, here is a tinted windshield. It goes right in front of the steering wheel. That will keep Steve nice and protected. And here are 2 orange fenders for the front. One goes on the one side, and the other one goes on the other side. Great! Now we're going to build the hood of the monster truck. One arched piece here, and another one right beside it. Oh, a nice bright 46 to go on top of the hood, so the crowds can roar out the number. And a black air scoop goes right on the front. Sweet. Two tiny orange squares finish up the hood. One there in front of the windshield, and the other in the other spot, right there. There and there. Ah, and we need some headlights and a grill. Oops, I've got some white stuff on here. Oh, now where did I get that from? Oh, it'll work. Okay, so here comes a headlight, and then a grill goes in the middle. Make sure it's the right way. There we go. And the second headlight. Looking good. Now the bumper grill goes on the front, and it goes right over top of the grill and just snaps into the other 2 pieces. Right there. Do you see that? And we need a couple fog lights, so we'll put them right here on the bumper grill. There and there. And here is the roof. The roof is a little bit tricky. It actually just sits on the little gray piece at the back, but it actually snaps in place on the front of the windshield. There we go. So it snaps in the front there, and it just sits carefully on the gray piece at the back. And we need a sticker! Number 6. So number 6 sticker says 46 Extreme. Yeah, yeah, yeah! Put it on the front there. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna make the spoiler. So we take this black piece and put this flat white brick on top. Flip it over. And then we're going to put these 2 black pieces in the middle. Okay, and they have little bars at the end. Do you see that? Okay, that's important. Flip it back over, and we're going to put 2 of these angled black pieces on either side of the white brick. And that seems like a big white space, doesn't it? You know why it is? Because we need a sticker! And it's our last one, number 2. Put it right onto this white brick. And again, it says, Extreme, Extreme, 46. Woohoo! Look at this. The spoiler fits right into those gray holders. And the spoiler moves up and down. Now, Monster Truck would not be complete without tires and wheels. These are skookum. We'll just slide the wheel and rim into the middle of the tire, and we'll do that oopsies. We'll do it 4 times. That's number 2. Number 3. Squeeze it in there. And finally, number 4. They're very bouncy. And then we're going to put these onto the monster truck. Just line it up with the gray axle piece. There's number 2. And let's put 2 on the other side. 1 there, and 1 there. Whoa, this truck can move! Finally, let's put Steve inside. After all, he can't win a monster truck race without sitting inside and steering the wheel. Put the roof back on. And he's ready to go. Overall, I would say that this was an awesome build. Wow, you're trying to go over top of the box? That's crazy. Hi, Steve. Oh yeah, off-roading. You are crazy. Okay, be careful, smiley guy. Oh no, flat tire. Fix it quick. Yay, you won. Right on, Steve. Woohoo! I'm glad you could join me today and build the Lego City Stunt Truck, item 60146. I had a great time. Remember to subscribe for free by clicking on Random the Robot's little head that popped up on the screen. You'll be guaranteed to see many more videos like this, and Disney Princess, Star Wars, DC Comics, Friends, Elves, and so much more. Just leave a message for Random letting us know what types of building sets you would like to build together next time, or what other types of toys you'd like to play together. Until I see you next time, see you later, alligator!